Let me start by introducing myself. Hi, I'm Simran and I am 20 years old, and I've already started a YouTube video 7 months ago, and I told that I would be consistent in this account,
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the?
which I'm clearly not. 7 months ago I posted a video, and on that video, on that day, I got sick. Okay, but yeah, I still had the courage to post it, and I am so proud of myself. Okay, and then I also recorded the orientation vlog of my college, that I told that I will vlog. But I got ready, and I was when I was going to the venue, I forgot everything and I didn't vlog anything. And I'm at that point, I had so much respect for YouTubers that how are they recording everything. Like, it was very hard for me, because the place where I live, it is not normal for people to vlog so easily at the place, because not everyone is doing, and it is not normal. Okay, and then after the orientation, my college started, and I had the biggest, crisis of my life, that I was not able to make friends, and how I just lost the spark in the 2 years of me preparing for an exam, competitive exam, and I was at home the whole year, and I, forgot to talk to people, how to talk to people. Like, I was not really focusing on the positive aspect of it, and how positive of an experience it was to go to college for the first time. And I was really focusing on the negative things. And eventually I made friends. If you're going to college, please don't focus on that. Please enjoy whatever is happening. Like, when I went to college, उसके दूसरे या तीसरे दिन पे ही फेस्ट हो गया, मतलब फेस्ट हो रहा था हमारे डिपार्टमेंट से और फिर मैनेजमेंट के डिपार्टमेंट से भी। तो एक दो क्लासेस होने के बाद, देयर वाज सो मेनी थिंग्स टू एक्सपीरियंस। लाइक, मुझे कॉलेज में आके समझ में आया है कि हर कॉलेज के हर कोने में कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही रहता है। तो you just have to involve yourself into that and find something you love to do, and not focus on other people. I was seeing so many people, your seniors from me, having a whole lot of friends and whole group of friends, and they were enjoying and laughing. I was feeling so envy. One thing about me, I really feel this sense of competition in everywhere I go, as I am an eldest daughter of my family. So eventually I made friends, and you know what? My friends are amazing, most intelligent people, and the most creative people. I don't know what to say, because जितना मैं टेंशन ले रही थी कॉलेज के शुरू होने पर, कि मेरे को फ्रेंड्स अच्छे नहीं मिलेंगे, अभी तक मेरे को कोई मिला क्यों नहीं, बट दैट्स अ प्रोसेस। और मेरे को लग रहा था आई फॉरगॉट हाउ टू टॉक टू पीपल, मेरे को पता ही नहीं है कैसे बात करते हैं, मेरा कम्युनिकेशन तो, आई हैड ज़ीरो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, दिस दैट। ओके, मैं टॉपिक से ही भटक रही हूँ। ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फ्रेंड्स तो मेरे को लाजवाब मिले, and I stopped posting from everywhere. I got so busy figuring life out, and क्योंकि एक साल घर पे बैठने के बाद you really forget many things. One thing about me, it is very hard for me to stay consistent in anything I'm doing. But in my course, in my department, it is really needed for a student to be consistent. And I'm a computer science student. But as I was telling about my college life, I was not able to make friends, and I was really doubting myself, that am I such a loser? I cannot talk to people, which everything was false, and I made friends, and they are the most amazing people on this earth. They are really talented people, and they, why I resumed this vlogging thing of mine, documenting thing of mine, making videos again. I loved it. I always wanted to have a YouTube video, have an online presence, documenting my life. And yesterday, my friend commented on my video and said that I should make more of these. And my friends are so supporting. I also started an Instagram account and I posted on that. They loved it. They love my videos, and that's not whole reason. Also, they just inspired me to do um, creative thing, go behind my passion, go for the passion. And the main reason I disappeared because college started and everything, that crisis happened. But as the new year came, I made the whole plan that I'm going to be consistent on Instagram, on YouTube, everything, shorts. But January was harsh. It was really harsh for me and my family. We were just coping with the biggest crisis of our life, because one of our family members had a really bad accident, and I was supposed to do so many things, but I could not do anything. Also, my end semester has ended, and after that it happened, so I totally lost myself. I totally was lost. I couldn't do anything. I really thought that I would resume everything, my studies, and new semester came, and I was really depressed. But now, everything is stable, and I just decided to post, because why not? There were so many things that stopped me, so many people that stopped me. But yeah, this is what I want. This is what my heart wants. My mother, she is the biggest supporter, because she tells me, why don't you post vlogs? Because my best friend does it, my cousin does it. Why don't you do it? You make such nice videos. My younger cousins, my small cousins, they really inspires me, because they have seen all of my videos, whatever shorts or reels, or that 10-minute video that I posted previously. They saw it and they were really enjoying that, and they told me, when will you post the next thing? And I was planning to do it from a very long time, but I just didn't know what to post. I just didn't know what to talk about. It is just very random. I got really busy in my college life and academics. Like in my first semester, I had physics. I do not hate physics, but it was just hitting like I don't need to. Like why did I choose computer science when I had to study physics? I don't want to say much about it. I studied physics and I scored really well. And I had French. The professor in French, he was really brilliant. Like I really loved the subject. Also, I was really feeling behind, because in my class, people are really talented. Like they know stuff much more than me, and I felt like I don't know anything, and I was feeling behind the whole semester. And right now, also, I feel it, but I think I can cope with it when I focus on myself, and what can I do when I shift the focus. I can. College is hectic, and सोने पे सुहागा तो ये है, मेरा जो कॉलेज है, it is 20 kilometers away from my house. And you know how I travel. पहले तो मैं 5 मिनट लेकर घर से बस स्टैंड जाती हूँ, फिर बस स्टैंड से बस से ट्रैवल बाय बस. और इसकी वजह से आई एम वेस्टिंग मोस्ट ऑफ माई टाइम. आई हैव टू वेक एट 6:30 एंड आई रीच एट होम एट 5:30. समटाइम्स 6 बजे भी पहुँचती हूँ शाम के. एंड देन मैं जब तक नींद नहीं ले लेती, मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं करता. सो if I'm reaching home at 5:30, I have to sleep for like an hour, and then only I will do anything. I can do anything productive after taking a nap. And assignments तो इतने हैं बिना मतलब के assignments. Like क्यों भाई, क्लास में बैठ के मैं assignments ही करूँ क्या? और अभी भी मेरे पास बहुत सारे assignments हैं, और अभी बज रहे 4. I haven't done anything. It's Saturday. भगवान की कृपा से Saturday Sunday छुट्टी होती है, and मेरे 2 प्रेजेंटेशंस हैं, असाइनमेंट्स भी 2 या 3 हैं, और मेरे को अब आज और कल बैठ के सारी चीज़ कंप्लीट करना है मेरे को. और मंडे को जाकर मेरे को दोनों प्रेजेंटेशन प्रेजेंट करना है एंड असाइनमेंट भी सबमिट करना है. आई डोंट नो मैं ये ब्लॉग कब एडिट करने वाली हूँ, but I'll try my best to edit this as soon as possible because अगर मैं इसको पाइल अप करते गई और तो ये बैकलॉग बन जाएगा मेरी पढ़ाई की तरह और फिर उसके बाद मैं कभी पोस्ट ही नहीं कर पाऊँगी इसको. सो आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट एडिटिंग इट टुनाइट एंड देन आई पोस्ट टुमारो. इट इज़ हेक्टिक भाई, इट इज़ वेरी वेरी हेक्टिक. लाइक आई और एक तो मेरे फ़ोन का स्टोरेज भी तुरंत भर जाता है क्योंकि क्लास में बैठे हैं और टीचर्स पढ़ा रहे हैं and you have to just click the photo, have screenshots and the PDFs, everything. Like phone का दिमाग खराब हो चुका है, मेरा दिमाग खराब हो चुका है. But yeah, I'm doing it. But I'm grateful that I'm in college and I'm getting this opportunity of being in college because I have seen people. मेरे खुद के पापा, उनको कॉलेज जाना था. He wanted to study more and he didn't get the chance. So I'm not complaining, please. I don't want to complain. I'm very very grateful. Also, after 2 weeks end semester, mid sems are and then after a month end semesters. So it is very very important for me to study. Beautiful things happen in college and you get so many opportunities and praise. Like I have been in 2 group discussions, 2-3 presentations, and the professors and my friends really appreciated me and my actually my friend group is really they push themselves, they and their friends. So I have reached here and we all think out of the box, and in freshers, like it was amazing, it was really amazing, I enjoyed it. And then freshers के बाद we had the college fest, college annual fest. 3 दिन का fest था. I only went there for the first day and second day मैं आधे में ही वापस आ गई. जब असली मज़ा शुरू होने वाला था उससे पहले मैं आ गई थी क्योंकि मेरे को घर से अलाउड ही नहीं था कि इतने रात तक तुम वहाँ पे रहो. सो आई कुडेंट एन्जॉय. थर्ड डे तो मैं बस स्टोरीज और बाकी सबके स्टोरीज देखते रह गए. मेरी फ्रेंड्स भी वैसे ही है. they were not allowed to go. मतलब इतना दूर है तो they were not allowed to go there. So we all together combined watched all the stories and we just were crashing out on the group chat. But the one thing about my group is we all can crash out together. Like we all can have a mental breakdown together, and I love that about my friend group. And I really think I'm going to document more of it. I love talking to the camera. Only if it had more storage. I have to really manage this. Exams भी आने वाले हैं, so I'm going to prepare for it. सबसे पहले तो assignments करना है मेरे को. खाना भी नहीं खाया मैंने. खाना खा के assignments करूँगी, उसके बाद I can read the book. So I'm stable. My family is stable now. Hope इसके आगे भी मैं बहुत सारे vlogs कर सकूँ. And anyone watching this video who is soon to be going to college, please मेरे से क्रैश आउट मत करना. फ्रेंड्स धीरे धीरे बनेंगे एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें होते हैं कॉलेज में, होती रहती है. यू वोंट मिस आउट. जस्ट show up for yourself. I also auditioned for things and I didn't get selected, but I was not prepared. Okay, I was not prepared. I just came to know about it not a night before it happening, and I didn't prepare anything, and I just what I did, and then I didn't got selected. But does that mean I will not audition for it again? No, I will audition for it again. I will keep showing up for myself because सब कोई stupid होते हैं कॉलेज में. सब कोई cringe होते हैं कॉलेज में. Cringe, it's not about being cringe, it's about showing up for yourself every time. क्योंकि सब कोशिश कर रहा है, जो कोशिश नहीं कर रहा है वो regret करेगा. Keep trying. कोई opportunity मिल रही है, go for it. Don't wait for anyone. अकेले जाओ. You'll find friends who will push you. You'll be fine. You'll be absolutely fine. बहुत मज़ा आएगा कॉलेज में. मज़ा तो बहुत आता है, but also be ready for the
Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
so many things. Thanks for watching. I think इसके बाद जो भी मेरे को consistency में मेरे को problem बहुत है, but I hope I will post more vlogs, more videos soon.